Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Fetch.ai chart. FET is the ticker, one of the most popular AI cryptocurrencies, and at the moment FET is starting to move. Hasn't moved as much as many other cryptocurrencies, but there's a lot of volatility in the crypto sector, and when the market is on the move, then typically there are certain coins that move first and others that are going to follow. So I think it's worth talking about FET right now because FET hasn't really moved aggressively yet, but might just get ready to do so. So we want to take a look at the chart. Let's go. So we are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. On this website, you can see all of our other asset classes that we cover, including cryptocurrencies. So we want to take a look at the crypto section today. Feel free to register. It's completely for free. There's no subscription or anything, and you get access to additional Elliott Wave updates. So let's click on the crypto section here. Also, don't forget that we now have a new Instagram channel. It's called The Market Intel, and you can get access and check it out, follow it. The link is in the description, and there you can get additional news and updates as well. Let us now take a look at the larger time frame for FET. Has anything changed? Well, the market is still here in this larger support zone or accumulation zone, and what we are watching for is if the market can really turn around here. These blue zones are typically long-term accumulation zones, and ultimately we want to see the market get above that $2.19 level next, which could then take us above that recent swing high, the upper green line, and then possibly to $5 to $10 medium term to long term. Bear in mind, this is the larger time frame, bigger picture. Let's say there are certainly levels here that need to be broken on this larger time frame, which would unlock higher prices. So again, let's say the closest one is the $2.19 level. But overall, if we really are in a third wave, or we are about to start a third wave, then these levels should be broken. And yeah, the price should enter a very parabolic run. That's at least typically what we expect in a third wave rally. And it can take us, above $5, above $6. So in that region, there is not really yet a target zone because that will depend on how the microstructures develop. But you see roughly where those labels are positioned, and definitely looking forward to seeing how this all comes into play. By the way, this would also be a third wave of a third wave, actually, this blue wave 3, and therefore it should be quite aggressive. Third wave is typically the most aggressive run in a rally, especially in crypto. Things can happen very, very quickly. I mean, we had quite a substantial run here in 2024, then a long correction, and hopefully the bulls will show up here. Let us take a look at the shorter time frame. I mean, here you can see that with a preferred, or let's say in our preferred interpretation, with a higher probability, the idea is that a low formed in June. So we obviously had a swing low here in wave 2 in April in our zone. All of that's happening in this blue larger accumulation zone, support zone. So we had a price found support there, by the way, in this corrective pullback, and then we had a rally, not exactly impulsive, but maybe a diagonal, maybe an impulse, but it can be interpreted as a 5-wave move up. Then we had a corrective pullback into the June lows. A lot of cryptocurrencies found support around the 22nd of June. And now we're basically just waiting to see if the bulls show up here. It's important that we now hold the 55-cent level, and then eventually the price needs to break, as I already showed you, above that $2.19 level. Now here on the smaller time frame, we see a little bit more detail, and we can see that the next move up should also be a third wave of a third wave of a third wave, highlighted here in blue. And please note that to confirm this and validate this wave count further, the market should break above the 99-cent level. So the next real resistance level that matters is the 99-cent level. So breaking above that could send the price to $2.19 next, maybe quite quickly. There might be additional resistance levels in between, like this previous swing high, but really we talk about the levels here that are really important from a larger time frame point of view for swing traders. And the 99-cent level is the nearest resistance level, and then the third of a third wave should take us higher quite quickly. Obviously, we would have to revise the wave count, the structure, with the break below the June low. It might only mean that this wave 2 that presumably bottomed in June is simply resetting, so we might need to extend this correction a little bit, but it wouldn't really change the blue accumulation zone. So yeah, that should give you all that you need to know about FET. It's quite a positive outlook at the moment still. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on our website completely for free. Also, let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies you want me to cover in future videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.